Welcome to Pets So Cute. If you're a fan of adorable pups, mischievous cats with the wildest antics, or hilarious moments featuring our furry animal friends, you're in the right place.
Don't fly, he said funky, coma data.
Leave a comment with your favorite moment, and we'll share it together. Let's get started.
Funky, coma.
Maç bu tarafta. Bu tarafta.
You pet me, I pet you back.
Aw, the three little bears, Heather. Look, oh, baby's getting in there. Baby's in now. Yeah. Oh, there goes another baby. Oh my God, they're all in there.
They left something in the trunk.
Oh crap, they're there.
You are so crazy.
Yeah, Michael Scofield, the greatest kid, the clock's ticking. Prison break, Lincoln Barrows, break in, break out, bloodline, we're familiar, boys.
You're actually pretty good. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Ow. Yeah, how'd that feel? Ow! My pinky! Ow! Ow!
Hey, my turn!
Look, Mom found a four-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it. Stay. Leave it. You wait.
الحوفة الأكلة اللي بتحبيها دوري يلا خدي صحة وعافية
And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know.
No, 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 no.
That got her.
Shake walk through and let him out. Come on, go out. Hold on. Come on, go out.
Mission protecting balls.
When baby bear tries to scare photographer.
失误的时候，你再试试这个。
I don't know anything, okay?
Terranator, el coche más poderoso que ha existido, con tracción 4x4 y 2 turbos.
When your kitten thinks he's a rabbit too.
Today I bought the hunt. Go cook it.
Shouldn't have been playing with the wrapper.
My cat was out partying all night. Oh my god, Lego cats are realistic. When your chicken screams like a winning.
What?
High five. High five. Pop this up.
Huh? Are we still stuck up here? What happened? You ready to show off?
Can your cat open the door? Today, I found out my cat can open doors. This is how my girlfriend ties her hair.
Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana mana.
Fucking shit! Ma! Ma, come outside! There's a fucking moose! Or a buffalo or some shit they're fighting! Where the fuck are you going? Ma! Holy shit! This is some fucking National Geographic shit! Ma, call a fucking cops or the A.
Can you guess who this guy is?
Еще новый дружбан какой-то. Ух ты.
Oh my god.
Пиздец.
Bro thinks he is the mother.
Дэнди, что это у тебя за трюки? Ты устал, сука. Никому не даешь, отжалу всех.
kitty invites a new friend ever. Who's trapping my dog like that?
I thought she was stuck on something. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of our Funny Animal Moments video. We hope it brought you plenty of laughs and brightened your day. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy and good vibes. See you in the next video.